Yes. Hello. This is my first attempt on doing a screencast and tutorial on setting up a light and minimal Linux desktop. Okay, first, an overview of my hardware. I'm using a Pentium 4 2.4 GHz processor. I also have a 512 meg of RAM. I still have 416 meg of available RAM. Um, I'm using the Debian AGF Beta 3, which has the 2.6.16 kernel. Also, what you see here is Kongi. It's a lightweight system monitor. It has a nice outputs. As you can see here, you can see the current application or tasks that are running. Okay, also, um, I'm using ICE WM or ICE Window Manager as my window manager. This is the current or latest release. This is one of those lightweight window manager available out there. Okay, so yes, that's about it. This is my first part, or this is the first part of my screencast. Okay, thanks.